How prepared are you for an economic collapse? It may sound far-fetched, but history has shown us that it's always a possibility. In such an event, having a stockpile of long-term food items can be a lifesaver. Today, we'll delve into 6 such foods that you should consider stockpiling. These are foods that are not only nutritious but also have a long shelf life. First on our list is honey. This sweet golden liquid is nature's perfect food. It's not only delicious, but it also has an almost indefinite shelf life. Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old, and it's still edible. Honey is also a versatile food. You can use it as a sweetener, a preservative, and even as a natural remedy for various ailments. Next we have rice. When stored properly, white, wild, arborio, jasmine, and basmati rice can last up to 30 years. Rice provides a good source of energy and pairs well with other foods. However, brown rice, despite its health benefits, does not store well long-term due to its higher oil content. Thirdly, consider stockpiling beans. They are a high-protein food that can last up to 30 years when stored properly. Beans are also versatile. You can use them as a main dish, a side dish, or even grind them into flour for baking. Our fourth food is salt. It's not just a flavor enhancer. Salt is also a vital nutrient and a preservative. It can last indefinitely when stored in a cool, dry place. The fifth item is canned foods. They can last anywhere from 2 to 5 years, sometimes longer. Canned goods provide a variety of options, including fruits, vegetables, meats, and soups. Lastly, we have powdered milk. When stored properly, it can last up to 20 years. It's a great source of calcium and vitamin D, and you can use it to make a variety of recipes. In summary, honey, rice, beans, salt, canned foods, and powdered milk are 6 long-term food items to consider stockpiling for an economic collapse. These foods are not only nutritious but also have long shelf lives. So as the old saying goes, better safe than sorry, start planning and start stockpiling.